Electrical Energy Measurement Part 10. Electrical Energy Measurement Part 10. Electronic Digital Energy Meters, Smart Meters. The Digital Revolution. The electronic energy meter, commonly known as the smart meter or digital meter, has replaced the electromechanical disk meter as the standard billing instrument worldwide. Its core advantage is superior accuracy, reliability, and functionality compared to its mechanical predecessor. Internal architecture. A digital meter operates less like a mechanical integrator and more like a computer. Its key components include current and voltage sensors, shunts CTs to accurately sample the line current and voltage. Analog to digital converter, ADC converts the analog electrical signals into digital data. Microcontroller, MCU, DSP, a powerful processor that performs the high-speed multiplication, P is equal to V I Cos-Phi, and integration, PDT, digitally. Memory, EEPROM stores the consumption data, events, and billing parameters. Digital measurement principle. The meter samples the voltage and current waveforms thousands of times per second. It performs the instantaneous multiplication of V and I, mathematically accounts for the power factor, cos-phi, and then sums these instantaneous power values over time to calculate the total kWh. Maximum demand indicator, MDI. A crucial feature for commercial and industrial users is the maximum demand indicator, MDI. This records the highest average power, kW or kVA, consumed during a specific, defined time interval, e.g., 15 or 30 minutes, over the billing cycle. This value is often used to calculate a demand charge on the bill. Time of use, 2U, metering. Digital meters enable time of use, 2U, metering, allowing utilities to charge different rates for electricity based on the time of day, e.g., higher rates during peak evening hours, lower rates overnight. The meter tracks and records consumption separately for each time segment. Communication capability, smart grids. The smart in smart meter comes from its ability to communicate wirelessly, via cellular, RF, or PLC. This allows the utility to read the meter remotely, no more meter readers, detect outages instantly, send remote commands, like connecting or disconnecting service, tamper and event recording. Digital meters are highly sophisticated at detecting tampering. They record various events, such as magnetic interference, voltage fluctuations, power factor changes, and attempts to reverse the meter reading, ensuring billing integrity. Accuracy class. Unlike older meters, digital meters adhere to strict international standards for accuracy, e.g., class 0.5, 1.0, 2.0. A class 1.0 meter guarantees the energy measurement error will be less than 1.0% over its operating range, offering higher precision. Transition to verification. We have covered the mechanical and digital methods of measurement. But how do we know these meters are telling the truth? Next, we'll dive into the procedures used by utilities and calibration labs to test and verify